When installing or changing the blade of the Olympia Millennium E, you must follow all safety procedures. Make sure you and the person assisting are wearing protective gloves and safety boots, as the blade is very sharp and very heavy. To change the blade, first raise the conditioner and place safety blocks underneath on both sides of the conditioner. Remove the clip on the conditioner cover plate and then remove the plate. Place the magnetic protector guard on the blade. Using a socket wrench, remove the blade bolt on each end of the blade and insert the blade hooks and fasten to the side of the conditioner. Now, remove the blade bolts and nuts and place them in a container half filled with oil. Loosen the blade hooks and move the blade to the blade blocks. Oil both sides of the blade. Remove the magnetic protector blade guard and carefully place in the wooden blade holder, making sure to attach the dull sign on the blade and then place the blade on the rack for sharpening. You are now ready to install the blade. Always follow this procedure. Wearing safety gloves, remove the blade from the wooden holder and put the magnetic protector guard on the blade. Make sure the blade has a light coating of oil. Insert the blade hooks into the holes at the end of the blade. If the blade is wider than 4 inches, insert them into the front row of holes or the holes closest to the blade edge. If the blade is less than 4 inches wide, insert the blade hooks into the rear holes or the holes furthest away from the edge. With 2 people, lift the blade up and slide the blade underneath the conditioner until the attachment holes line up. Secure the blade hooks to the sides of the conditioner and install the blade bolts and finger tighten. Remove the blade hooks and insert the remaining 2 blade bolts and tighten. Using a socket wrench, tighten the blade bolts onto the conditioner, working from one side to the other, or from the center to one side and then from the center to the other side. This will prevent the blade from becoming warped. Remove the magnetic blade guard. Adjusting the blade once it's installed is a simple matter. If you are using an Olympia LVR laser leveling system, you start by zeroing the blade. After mounting the blade in accordance with the Olympia blade changing procedure, you turn on the Olympia by turning the power key clockwise. The Olympia LVR control panel lights up. By pushing and releasing the menu button, you toggle through to the Blade Zero calibration menu. Using the up or down arrow buttons next to the LVR screen, raise or lower the blade until the indicator arm completely fills the sight hole at the side of the conditioner. If you are using a manual blade control system, turn the blade adjustment hand crank to raise or lower the blade until the indicator arm completely fills the sight hole at the side of the conditioner. To check the level of the blade, slide a coin or a flat washer along the runner from the back to the front of the conditioner until you feel it pass where the blade meets the conditioner runner. The blade should be exactly level with the runners on both sides. Repeat the blade check on the driver's side of the conditioner. To adjust the blade level, use a 1 1/8 inch wrench to loosen the top nut of the blade level adjusters located on each side of the rear of the conditioner. Then turn the nut to raise or lower the blade into the proper position, which is exactly level with the bottom of the runner. Once the blade is at the proper level, tighten the nuts on the blade level adjuster. Recheck the blade level with the coin on both sides of the conditioner. Now, remove the safety blocks from under the conditioner. On the LVR-equipped Olympia Millennium E resurfacers, go to the 0 page and raise the blade by pushing the up arrow 6 times. On a manual-equipped blade system, turn the adjustment wheel counterclockwise 2 complete turns. With the conditioner in the up position, drive the Olympia out onto the ice surface. Lower the conditioner to the ice until the lift arms are against the down pressure stops. On the LVR 0 page, lower the blade using the down arrow key until the blade just starts to cut into the ice. Check to see there is a feathered edge which is equal on both sides of the conditioner. On a manual blade leveling system, turn the adjustment wheel clockwise until the blade starts to cut an equal feathered edge on both sides of the conditioner. If there is an unequal feather on one side, stop and dismount using the 3-point procedure, and on the driver's side, adjust the blade level by loosening the top blade bolt nut. Then adjust the blade to make the feathered cut equal to the right side cut. Then retighten the top nut and remount the Olympia Millennium E. You are now ready to begin the ice making procedure.